After facing severe backlash for the discrepancies, the National Testing Agency has declared its decision to annul the grace marks bestowed upon 1,563 candidates in this year's National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test. As a result, the organization has declared that these candidates will have the opportunity to sit for a retest on June 23. With this announcement, NTA has reaffirmed its commitment to maintaining the fairness and integrity of the examination process before the Supreme Court. The results of the candidates who choose not to take the retest will be calculated using only their exact score without grace marks. Promptly issuing the notification today, the NTA hopes to guarantee openness and efficiency in its operations. In a decisive move, the NTA and the centre's advocate Kanu Agrawal told a bench composed of Justices Bikram Nath and Sandeep Mehta that candidates will now be informed of their exact scores without any grace points. After a thorough consideration, the Supreme Court promptly resolved the case challenging the distribution of grace marks. The Apex Court also made a firm directive to ensure that the counselling process proceeds unhindered and without any delay. While the students who are currently protesting on Jantar Mantar for their future are insisting on a comprehensive CBI investigation into the NEET scam, the Minister of Education, Dharmendra Pradhan, reaffirmed that there was no corruption or paper leak in the NEET exams, promising to take appropriate measures if any misconduct was discovered.
आपको स्पष्ट करूं, देयर इज नो करप्शन। ये जो एक वातावरण बनाई जा रही है कि बहुत बड़ा एनामोली हुई है, नीट के संबंध में पिछले दिनों में नीट में आपकी जानकारी के लिए बताऊं 24 लाख स्टूडेंट्स अपियर करते हैं। अभी जो मसला जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट के सामने आज भी चल रहा है, सरकार ने अपना पक्ष रखा है उसमें, ये लगभग 1550 स्टूडेंट की है और एक ग्रेटर क्वेश्चंस कुछ उठाए गए हैं। सरकार उसकी सामना करने के लिए उसको संतुष्टि के साथ बच्चों को उत्तर देने के लिए बहुत प्रामाणिकता के साथ खड़ा है। स्पेसिफिक घटना जो आए हैं उसको सरकार गंभीरता से लिया है। एकेडमिशियंस की कमेटी बनी है, उन्होंने कुछ रिकमेंडेशन दिया है, उस हिसाब से सरकार आज कोर्ट के सामने उस पक्ष को रखेगा और बाकी जो नीडफुल सुप्रीम कोर्ट के आदेश से ही कुछ साल पहले से एनटीए की गठन हुई है।
About 24 lakh students took the May 5 NEET UG 2024 exam, which caused a ruckus when 67 people received a perfect score of 720 points, casting doubt on the authenticity of the results. The NTA established a grievances redressal committee to handle student complaints and eventually awarded grace marks using a normal marking scheme. This led to the decision for a re-examination for the impacted candidates. With the retest scheduled and tensions rising, the NEET UG 2024 story continues to unfold, prompting calls for accountability and transparency in the examination process.